Say hi.
Hi.
Say welcome back. Can we tell everybody happy 4th of July? Because by the time this gets posted, it'll be the 4th. But we are downtown at the major town in our county, and they're doing a Independence Day celebration. So, yep, they got all kinds of stuff going on. So we're taking the kids around, and then tonight they're doing their fireworks when it gets dark. So, we're gonna have some family fun today.
Family fun with a big belly baseball.
Alrighty, let's get going.
Mama, show me your baseball.
Let's go.
Hey, come here.
Hold on, guys. See what's going on. So,
You want water?
you guys want a water? Not yet? Alrighty. Let's see what they got.
I can't open this thing.
You can't open it. You got
Put
it?
your pants down.
Put your skirt down, honey. How you doing?
There you go.
Alright, what do you want to do first? You want to do face painting?
Hard enough.
Yeah.
Walk.
Walk. Walk. Walk. Let's see what they have first, okay? Alright. Oh, they got food, nachos, pulled pork, burgers, hot dogs.
Chippies.
What?
Chippies.
Yeah, chips or doll.
Can someone hold my water?
No, you wanted it, you hold it yourself.
Yeah, you gotta carry it. Here's the dunk tank. Ooh, that was cold. Oh yeah, there's a bouncy house for the kids.
That one's easy.
Yeah.
You have to throw a ball at it, and if you have to sit on that thing, and if the person hits that target, you fall in.
Yeah. I bet that feels really nice on a 90-degree day today, huh? Yeah. What? Yeah, more food. Lemonade. Huh? Some vendors. LuLaRoe. No, you can carry it.
What are you following?
Are you following the white line on the ground?
I'll follow it.
Oh, wood-fired pizza.
I had that last year.
Yeah.
And it's over there.
Yeah. There's Scentsy.
Oh, it smells so good.
It smells like burgers and hot dogs.
Well, I smell pizza.
You smelling the pizza? Is that what you're smelling? Where you going? Where you going? Yeah. There's not as much stuff going on this year.
Bouncy house, bouncy house, bouncy house.
Let's see what else is going on.
Abigail.
Oh, some stuff made from honey. Let's see. Somebody else selling some stuff over there. Looks like some handmade stuff. Come on, girls. We'll come back over. Hold on. Let's look over here and then we'll come back. Come here.
And then after that, face paint.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Yeah. Tumblers. Ooh. What is it? Got a raffle.
I really did too. Ow! Don't poke me in the eye.
What are you girls doing?
Poked me in the eye.
Dad's filling out a raffle for either half a hog or a rifle. So, either way, it's a good win. If we win. What do you think? You're gonna win food or a gun?
Gentlemen, they're a good organization.
I want food.
You want food?
My kids.
What you got? You got your peanut butter and jelly? Abby ate her turkey and cheese already. Now we eat some cucumbers and carrots. Is that good?
Lay on your back. There you go.
All right. We got food. Kids are on the bouncy house. We got macho nachos. It's nachos with pulled pork, cheese, jalapenos, pickles, and some sort of sauce. How is it, Dad?
It's all right.
Good. I like it.
I like mine better.
Oh, there's Abby going down. And there she goes. Ari already went down. So we're gonna eat now since we have break. Definitely not a lot to do this time. What you eating? You eat one of Mama's nachos? You don't want the stuff on it? Just the cheese?
That's all Shannon is. She's like, I eat it. Got my son to go get
That knocked her almost out.
They can't bounce inside of it,
Put your hands up.
so they're gonna bounce on the outside of it. Goofball. Oh. In a minute. Yeah, do a red, white, and blue. You'll be like Captain Marvel as a mermaid.
No, it's all right. You're gonna do this one, or are you gonna be the tiger?
Which one are you gonna do? You want that one? You have to pick one.
Do this one. Okay.
Abby's getting that little mermaid one. All right, bubbies. What are you getting? That's what you want is the unicorn?
But look at the butterfly.
There's too many options.
Yeah, I know. Okay, we're gonna pick 1, 2, or 3. Look at this one. 3. 3 it is. You'll be fine.
She wants to be a unicorn. She just said she wants to be a unicorn. What's Abby doing?
She's getting on a mermaid.
Very cool. Look at you, pretty girl.
You want the
Okay, hop down.
She's going to be the rainbow unicorn, right?
Okay.
Or
Rainbow mermaid? Rainbow mermaid. Okay. There's Abby's.
Whoa,
Very
that's
pretty.
cool. Hold on, don't move.
Okay, Aria's turn.
There you go.
She already has glitter on her.
Okay.
Okay, you can't move. Gotta stay still.
Don't move.
I can see the glitter on my nose.
So sparkly. Aria.
Are you excited?
Okay, keep your head still. Beautiful.
Like Bob Ross said, there are no mistakes, just happy little trees.
Last time
Happy little accidents.
Yeah, happy little accidents.
Last time I was
That's what.
Let me see. Oh my goodness, look at how pretty you are.
Aria.
All right.
Wow.
Okay.
Thank you.
Can you say thank you? Say thank you. Come on, Ivy, throw it hard. Oh, good girl.
All right, that's 2.
I go first.
Run.
Definitely should put bug spray on. Good job.
Now it's your sister's turn.
Let Aria have a turn. Dude, high five. 2 out of 3, not bad.
I saw his foot touch the glass.
Yeah.
Come on, hurry up.
Where's that?
Come on, Ari. Okay, boogers. Go ahead, babe.
Insurance guy to duck tank. You gotta have a life preserver on, Justin.
One more. Yay! Good job.
High five.
Give high fives.
You want to
Hi
spread
there.
my arms and
Yeah, I guess I can do that. You. Okay. So,
Stop.
we finished up down at the little celebration downtown. And we are here waiting for the fireworks to start. Girls are running around.
I don't want you over
Hopefully
there.
not getting hit by a car.
Watch out for trucks.
Yep.
Oh, God.
Dad's breaking my chair. I mean, he already broke his, so I guess now he's got to break mine.
Hey. Stop running out in the middle.
The lot's starting to get full. A lot of cars coming in. So I gotta watch the kids with the cars coming in. Aria, this way, Bubby. Woo, that was loud.
Get over here quick.
My battery's getting low, so I gotta save it. I forgot my
Get over here,
charger.
Aria.
We're gonna let them run around. It is about 8:45. Sun's going down, so
Get up, out of the grass.
So they should be getting
Come here,
ready to
Aria.
start fairly soon. So,
Up, up.
and we'll
Come on,
see
get up. Muffin head.
how Aria does with it this year. Last year it was too loud for her, so hopefully she likes it this year. We'll find out.
Come here.
Is it done? Oh, look at that one.
What are you watching?
Yeah.
It's just Big Bangs. It's like the panda.